So today we're going to run through really quickly how to set up your Crezco account with your QuickBooks account. So there's a couple of options here. First of all, you can either go through our website directly, click on the sign up button, and you'll be presented with a sign in with Intuit. So that'll just create an account on top of your QuickBooks account. Or you can go through that app store. This is what we'll recommend because it will just take you through an automated flow. So as you can see, I'm already signed in into my QuickBooks account. Click Get App Now. That will create a Crezco account on top of your QuickBooks account, so you don't have to remember any passwords. So once that's loaded, you basically have to choose which firm you want to connect onto Crezco. In this case, it's my own firm, so Crezco numbers here. So install for your firm. Click Next, and then just authorize the access. So we're just gathering the information that you've already got set up on QuickBooks. Once that's loaded, the first thing that you'll need to do is link your bank account. Because we're an account-to-account based solution, there's no holding account, so it'll just be going straight into your bank feed. Here, because I've already got two connect bank accounts because we're on our demo account, if you don't, you just have to click here on Add New Bank Account, and in the selector, choose which bank you want to put through, like when you're doing the QuickBooks bank feed. I click Confirm. That then corresponds to this QuickBooks bank feed. So in most cases, it is the current account. And because I was saying account to account, we're treating it as a deposit directly into that account. And then once you review those settings, you just click Confirm. And that is QuickBooks completely set up with Crezco. You don't have to do anything else. And the payment links will be automatically attached to those invoices when you send them out to the customers.